Picture this. You're standing in your kitchen, staring at a pile of dirty glass cups after a rowdy weekend get-together. You're thinking, do I really have to wash all of these by hand? Well, not anymore. Enter the automatic glass cup washer, your new best friend in the world of glassware maintenance. This magical contraption is like having a personal cup cleaning wizard right in your kitchen. No more battling with stubborn water spots or spending ages hand-washing glassware. This device ensures your glass cups come out of their cleaning session sparkling and ready to party. Imagine the time you'll save. Just load your cups, press a button, and voila, you're free to focus on more important things, like planning your next epic gathering. It's not just a time saver, it's a lifesaver for all the party animals out there. What's more, it's as versatile as a chameleon at a rainbow convention. It can handle wine glasses, beer mugs, or whatever quirky glassware you've got. And it's gentle too. No glassware will be harmed in the cleaning process. Maintenance, easy peasy. Keeping this gizmo in top shape is a breeze, ensuring it's always ready for the next cup cleaning marathon. But wait, there's more. It's an efficiency expert, optimizing water and detergent usage. Plus, it won't take up your whole kitchen. It's like having your cake and eating it too, without the mess. So there you have it, the automatic glass cup washer. It's your ticket to effortlessly clean glassware, and it's so convenient you might just forget how to wash a glass by hand. It's time to raise a glass to pristine glassware and a life with fewer chores.